So ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome to Mathematics post UTME as Mathematics post UTME first question paper. So we have this question. The question says, if log 10 base 8 is equal to it's equal to x, evaluate log 5 base 8 in terms of x. So we are now going to see solution, and these are our options. So how are we going to evaluate this? So first we are going to take the equation which says log 10 base 8 is equal to x. But we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So therefore we are going to substitute 10 with 2 times 5. Therefore we now have log 2 times 5 base 8 is equal to x. And don't forget that according to the theory of logarithm, log a plus b, log a plus log b is equal to log a times b. So therefore, according to this, we can now take this to this. So therefore, this one is the same thing as log 2 base 8 plus log 5 base 8 is equal to x. And what we are after is to evaluate log 8 base 5 in terms of x. So therefore, this one is the same thing as log 5 base 8 is equal to x minus log 2 base 8. But remember, we can now say let log 2 base 8 to be equals to r. We can now say log 2 base 8 to be equals to r. So it means that we have log 2 base 8 is equal to r. And remember, according to another theory of logarithm, if you want to remove this logarithm, it's something to say you have your 2 here, and then this 8 will now come to this side and it will now power this r. And remember, 2 power 3 is the same thing as 8. So we can now replace 8 with 2 power 3. So we now have 2 is equal to 2 power 3 r. And remember, this one is power 1. So here we have 2 and here we have 2. So we can equate the index by cancelling the bases. So therefore we have 1 is equal to 3r. So therefore we can now make r subject of the formula. So we divide this by 3. This one will now cancel this. So we now have r is equal to 1 over 3. So therefore now we have log 5 base 8 is equal to x minus 1 over 3. So we now replace log 2 base 8 with 1 over 3. So therefore this is the log 8 base 5 in terms of x. And let's look at our option. So if you look at option C, C is now the correct answer. Please, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to subscribe and follow my YouTube community.